kitchen knife.
No! Please don't kill me! I'm your sister! Please! No! 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 Max, how did you do that?
I am under the control of evil. Anything no other agitated friends can do.
What are you going to do to me?
You gonna be the punch you in the face and kill you.
Man, where's Max? He's got to here somewhere.
Oh, Lewis.
Max, is that really you? Why your trousers are black and your t-shirt is now red?
Your punching bag doesn't work on me. Only powers can do.
Are you working with Evil Red? Mother, have you seen Rose and Ruby? I don't know. Maybe we can check Ruby's house for a while.
Hey, you two, how's it going?
Max? Is that really you? But you look different.
That's right, you two. Now I go destroy you two next.
Wait, what? Oh no!
Hey, Tyler, how's it going?
Max, why did you kill your sister? She's my wife. But why did you destroy the Bunnyville?
He's my evil side now. I can finally destroy Bunnyville whenever I want.
Evil Red, if you dare to destroy me, I will destroy you too.
Do you see what I mean, everyone? This is why Leader should have paid attention to me more than them. Should have paid attention Ruby and his friends. I'm sorry, Leader. This isn't for all good.